Hello everyone, this is the maths class for standard 4th and 5th. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 7, fractions. Let us see what is fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. It is denoted by a numerator and a denominator. For example, 4 upon 6. In fraction 4 upon 6, 4 is a numerator and 6 is a denominator. And the line which is separated numerator and the denominator is called fraction bar or division bar. The numerator 4 tells us that the fraction represents 4 equal parts used, and the denominator 6 tells us that 6 equal parts make up a whole. Now let us see different types of fraction. First is proper fraction. If the numerator is less than denominator, it is called as proper fraction. For example, 2 upon 3. 2 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator. As you can see, 2 is smaller than 3. So it is proper fraction. Improper fraction. If the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, it is called as improper fraction. For example, 9 upon 6. In fraction 9 upon 6, in the numerator, that is 9, is greater than the denominator 6. So it is improper fraction. In fraction 2, 4 upon 4. 4 is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. It means 4 is equal to 4. So it is called as improper fraction. Now mixed fraction. If the whole number is also included with proper fraction, it is called as mixed fraction. For example, 2 and 1 upon 2. Here 2 is a whole number. It is also called integer. And 1 upon 2 is a proper fraction. So whole number and a proper fraction make up a mixed fraction. Like fractions. If two or more fractions have the same denominator, those fractions are called as like fractions. For example, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 5 upon 4. Here as you can see, in all fractions the denominators are same. So they are like fractions. Unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 3 upon 7, 8 upon 5, 9 upon 12, 12 upon 16. Here as you can see, the denominators 7, 5, 12 and 16 are different to each other. So they are unlike fractions. Unit fraction. A fraction which has 1 as the numerator is a unit fraction. For example, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 13. As you can see, in all fractions have 1 as a numerator, so it is called unit fraction. Equivalent fractions. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number to get equivalent fractions. For example, find equivalent fraction of 1 upon 3. So first take the fraction 1 upon 3 and multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. That is equal to 2 upon 6. It is the first equivalent fraction of 1 upon 3. Now let us find the second equivalent fraction of 1 upon 3. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, which is equal to 3 upon 9. So 3 upon 9 is the second equivalent fraction of 1 upon 3. Thus 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 upon 6 is equal to 3 upon 9. Now let us see some rules of fractions. When the denominator are same, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. For example, here as you can see 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 5. Here the denominators are same, so the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. So which fraction has greater numerator? Yes, 3 upon 5 has a greater numerator. It means 3 is greater than 2. So 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. Now second rule is when the numerator are same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. For example, 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 5. Here as you can see, the numerators are same. So the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. So which fraction has smaller denominator? Yes, 3 upon 5 has a smaller denominator. 5 is smaller than 7. So 3 upon 5 is greater than 3 upon 7. Now rule number 3, when the numerator and the denominator are same in both the fractions are equal. For example, 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So both fractions are same, so they are equal. Rule number 4, in fractions having same denominator, the value of the fraction increases with the increases in numerator. It means we move smallest to the greatest. So therefore 1 upon 8 is smaller than 3 upon 8, smaller than 5 upon 8, smaller than 6 upon 8. Rule number 5. In fractions having same numerator, the value of the fraction decreases with the increases denominator. So as you can see, in all fractions, the numerators are same. So value of the fraction decreases with the increases the denominator. It means we move smallest to the largest with denominator. So 3 upon 2 is greater than 3 upon 5, greater than 3 upon 6, greater than 3 upon 8.